All right, 8th grade English. This is your bell work for week 12, verb tense. All right, in the following sentences, circle the words that show verb tense. On the blank to the left of each sentence, write either past, present, or future to show the tense of the sentence. So if we look at number 1, it says, yesterday, Brad tore his jeans on the wire fence and scraped his knee on the concrete walkway. Well, the words that show past tense are tore and scrape. Those are the verbs. Now, the word yesterday helps you with that. And by having the word tore and scraped and yesterday, that makes it past. If you look at number 2, frankly, I doubt that UFOs exist. The word is doubt. Whoops, that was supposed to be a highlighter. Doubt. Now, by that, it means that it is present tense. And you can just write pres. It says, number 3, past life experiences have helped people in a variety of ways. Now, have helped is the words that tell you, and that is past tense. In summary, I shall never taste. Shall never means future. The word shall and will mean future tense. On number 5, Steve has been, and it says the last 10 years. That means it is past tense. Number 6, Mars is the planet that is physically most like Earth. Is gives you the present. And you can just write pres. Number 7, since it is raining outside, please take your boots off before coming inside the house. Coming, that means present tense. Number 8, we will go to my grandparents' house next. That means it is future. And number 9, I wrapped the present for my coworker's birthday. Wrapped means past tense. It's already happened. And then number 10, you have will have eaten as the words to give you a hint. That means future. Shall and will always mean future tense. All right, so that is on the past, present, and future tense of verbs. Now, finish the rest of the assignment. Don't forget to submit to me through Canvas when done. Good luck and have fun.